How to see all your Google Chrome downloads. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your Google Chrome downloads from the beginning till now. It's easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, and here all you need to do is click on those 3 points up there and choose downloads. And this is it. They're gonna show you files that you download from the beginning until now. Like you see, I don't have anything, and because I did clear data, Google Chrome data. If you did clear your Google Chrome cache or data, or you are already setting time range to clear all your files, you are not gonna find anything here. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.